Welcome. If you use WhatsApp Web on your computer, you've probably noticed that sometimes message previews don't appear when you get notifications. Well, in the latest update, WhatsApp has made it super easy to fix that and show message previews right on your screen. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn this feature on in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're already logged into your account. If not, you'll just need to scan the QR code from your phone's WhatsApp app to connect. Once you're in, you'll see your chats on the left-hand side, just like you do on your phone. Now, look at the side menu on the left. At the very bottom, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click it. It's your access point to all the important customization options for WhatsApp Web. Next, you'll be taken to the settings menu. From here, click on notifications. This section controls all the alerts you get on your PC, including sound notifications, banner pop-ups, and of course, message previews. Inside the notification settings, find the option that says Show Previews. This is the one we need to enable in order to see a short snippet of incoming messages whenever you get a notification. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. Once you would have done that, message previews will start showing up whenever someone texts you, even when WhatsApp Web is running in the background. It's a great way to multitask without missing what's being said. If at any point you want a bit more privacy, you can return to the same settings and turn it off again just as easily. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable show previews notifications on WhatsApp Web using the newest update. A small change, but one that definitely makes your messaging experience smoother and more convenient while working on your PC.